Hello, and welcome. Today, we're going to explore a powerful truth that can help you transform your reality. If you've ever wondered how to manifest your desires quickly, the secret lies in understanding a simple yet profound concept. The key to fast manifesting is knowing that everything you experience in the outer world starts within you. You hold the power to create your reality through your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. The first step in transforming your reality is recognizing that you are not a passive observer in this world. You are an active creator. Your imagination is the most powerful tool you possess. Every thought you have is a seed planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind, and that seed grows into the experiences you encounter in your life. But here's the catch: most people are unaware of the power they hold. They are waiting for external circumstances to change, without realizing that the real transformation must begin within. You've heard the phrase, thoughts become things, but what does it really mean? It means that everything you see, everything you touch, and everything you experience is a result of what you have imagined in the past. The life you are living right now is a reflection of your thoughts, beliefs, and assumptions. This is the first key to fast manifesting. You must take responsibility for the reality you've created. Once you accept that your thoughts have shaped your world, you can begin to change them. You might be wondering, how do I change my thoughts? The process starts by understanding that your subconscious mind doesn't differentiate between what is real and what is imagined. It accepts whatever you impress upon it, and it works tirelessly to bring your beliefs into reality. So, if you want to manifest something new, you must impress your subconscious mind with the image of what you desire, and then believe in it as if it has already happened. It's crucial to practice visualization. Spend time each day imagining the life you want to create. Feel the emotions as though they are already yours. When you visualize your desires, you're planting the seeds of those desires in your subconscious mind. The more vividly and passionately you imagine your dreams, the more powerful the manifestation process becomes. It's not enough to think about what you want, you need to live in the feeling of having it already. Another important factor in fast manifesting is faith. You must have absolute faith in your ability to create what you desire. This isn't just blind faith, but a knowing, deep inner conviction that the law of attraction is always working for you. Once you believe that your thoughts are creating your reality, you stop doubting the process. Doubt is the enemy of manifestation. It creates resistance, and resistance slows down the flow of your desires. So, let go of doubt, trust in the process, and watch how quickly your desires begin to materialize. You might also be wondering about the role of time in manifestation. Many people are caught up in the idea that manifestation takes time, but this is not the case. Time is a construct of the physical world, but in the realm of imagination and the subconscious mind, there is no such thing as time. When you believe in the reality of your desire and impress it upon your subconscious mind, it is as good as done. The universe does not work on a linear timeline, it works in alignment with your beliefs. If you think that your desire is far off in the future, then it will take time to manifest. But if you align yourself with the knowing that it is already yours, it will appear much more quickly. Another powerful tool in fast manifesting is the concept of feeling is the secret. Your emotions are the key to unlocking the power of manifestation. When you think about your desires, you need to feel the emotions associated with them as though they are already happening. This feeling acts as a magnet, attracting the circumstances and people necessary to bring your desires into reality. The stronger the emotional charge, the quicker the manifestation process. This is why it's important to stay in a positive emotional state as much as possible. Positive emotions send out a powerful vibration into the universe, drawing back the energy that aligns with your desires. It's also essential to remember that the external world is not your enemy, it's simply a reflection of your inner state. If you see obstacles or challenges in your life, it's important to change the way you perceive them. Don't see them as problems to be overcome, but as opportunities to practice your faith and imagination. Each challenge is a chance to reinforce the belief that you are in control of your reality. Instead of focusing on what you don't want, focus on what you want. Direct your energy towards the solution, not the problem. One of the greatest myths about manifesting is that it requires hard work and effort. But this is not true. Manifestation is a natural process that happens effortlessly when you align yourself with the frequency of your desires. The more you believe in your ability to create, the less effort you need to put into the process. It's about relaxing into the knowing that your desires are already yours. The universe works in harmony with your energy, and when you're in alignment, everything you need to manifest your dreams will come to you naturally. Now, let's talk about the power of the present moment. The present moment is where all manifestation takes place. When you focus on the present moment and truly live in it, you remove any resistance that may be holding back your desires. The past is gone, and the future has not yet arrived. The only time you have to create your reality is right now. So, focus on what you want in the present moment, feel the emotions associated with it, and believe that it is already yours. This is the fastest way to manifest. You might be asking, what if I don't see any immediate results? It's important to remember that the process of manifestation is not always visible right away. Just because you don't see physical evidence of your desires doesn't mean they aren't on their way. Trust that the universe is always working behind the scenes to bring your desires into fruition. Keep your faith strong, stay aligned with your desire, and don't get discouraged by external appearances. The universe is always responding to your thoughts and feelings, even if you can't see the evidence yet. And, practice gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for fast manifesting. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you create an energy of abundance. Gratitude sends out a vibration of appreciation, which attracts more to be grateful for. The more you focus on what you're grateful for, the more the universe will deliver experiences, people, and opportunities to be thankful for. Gratitude amplifies the manifestation process and helps to keep your energy aligned with your desires. To summarize, fast manifesting is not about working harder or trying to force things into existence. It's about understanding that you are the creator of your reality. It's about using the power of your imagination, belief, and emotions to bring your desires into form. When you align your thoughts and feelings with what you want, and when you trust the process, manifestation happens effortlessly. The secret to fast manifesting is knowing that everything you desire is already yours, it's simply a matter of bringing it into your awareness. As you move forward, remember that your thoughts create your world. You have the power to change your reality at any moment. The more you practice the principles of manifestation, the quicker and easier it becomes. Stay focused on your desires, feel the emotions of having them now, and trust in the process. The universe is always working with you, not against you. When you are in alignment with your desires, the world will move to support you in ways that may surprise you. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of manifesting your desires quickly. Trust in your power, and know that you have everything you need to create the life you've always dreamed of. The secret is already within you, now go and manifest the life you deserve. Every moment is an opportunity to shift your thinking, to adjust your feelings, and to create the life that you truly desire. Fast manifesting isn't some magical process, it's a natural result of aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions with your goals. You are the creator of your reality, and the moment you realize this, you begin to see just how limitless your potential is. The universe is always responding to you, to your inner state, and to your energy. Every thought you have is sending out a vibration, and that vibration will return to you in the form of experiences, people, and opportunities that match it. It's time to stop doubting and start believing in your ability to create the life you want. You hold the power to manifest your desires with speed and ease. The secret to fast manifestation lies in consistent, focused thinking, combined with unwavering faith in your ability to create. I encourage you to take what you've learned today and start applying it immediately. Visualize your desires every day, feel the emotions associated with them, and trust in the power of your imagination. Keep your thoughts focused on what you want, not on what you don't want. Practice gratitude and remain positive, even when external circumstances seem challenging. The more you stay in alignment with your desires, the faster you will see them manifest in your life. And before we go, I want to ask you for a small favor. If you found this content helpful and insightful, please take a moment to like this video. Your support helps this message reach more people, and together, we can all create the life of our dreams. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more powerful content like this, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you found value in what we've discussed today, share this video with someone who may benefit from it. Let's spread this message far and wide and help others tap into their manifesting power.